Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use our commenting feature in Bulb. Bulb is a great place to collect content. It is a space to document growth. And because we want to continually be advancing and evolving, feedback is absolutely essential. Our commenting feature allows you to do just that. I am currently the teacher, Mrs. Berg. I am going to navigate to a page and show you that in the top right-hand corner, there are three little dots where commenting is auto-defaulted as turned on for every page. But at any time, I can toggle this to the left, which will shut off commenting for that page. It's important to note that anyone that has access to this Bulb page can leave a comment. Also, an individual must have a Bulb account to leave a comment. Since I'm a teacher, I'm going to navigate to one of my students' pages, Omar Diaz. Here I'm going to show you the two different kinds of commenting that Bulb has. The first type of commenting is done by highlighting a word, a paragraph, or an embedded media. This is called inline commenting. After highlighting text, simply click on the commenting icon and it will pull up a commenting thread. Now I can leave a comment. A great feature in the inline commenting is that you can have a conversation with a student through the commenting thread. One more tip for inline commenting is if you can't see part of your inline comment, you can resize your screen by clicking on your keyboard, Command minus or Control minus. At any time, you can delete your comments. Use this trash can icon here on the top right-hand corner to delete. Note that the author of the Bulb page that you're commenting on can also delete comments from their page. Same goes for media embeds. Simply click on the media, and once it is highlighted with that blue box, click the commenting icon, and you can leave a comment. The second way you can leave comments on a page is at the bottom of the Bulb page. I'm going to navigate all the way down to the bottom where you can see the commenting box. This way of commenting is more of a blog-style commenting feature. Simply type what you want to say in the box and press comment. Your comment will now be stored below the commenting box. And remember, anyone who can see this Bulb page can see your comments. A great activity idea for the classroom is to have students publish within their group. Then have each student pick 3 to 4 of their peers' pages to leave an encouraging comment and ask a question. For any additional questions about commenting, make sure to check out our help pages or contact us at help@bulbapp.com. Thank you.